A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. To all my viewers, to all my listeners, to all my spectators, Happy New Year. Now, there are two different ways of welcoming New Year. The one way is to celebrate and welcome New Year with fireworks and merrymaking. But the second way is examination of yourself, and I will prefer the second one. First, look at this poem. As you see in this poem of Elizabeth Soyle, she says that we should not welcome the New Year, the arrival of New Year in a formal way. Rather, her approach is realistic. She says we should think what we have done in the last year. If we have done the right thing, we should strictly obey the same way. We should strictly sting to that thing. But if we were wrong in the previous year, we should look upon our deficiencies, our shortcomings, and we must make up our deficiencies because it is our moral duty to leave this world more prosperous, better for our future generations. The thing we should adopt is the long-lasting efforts made by us for our coming generations. I have picked this poem because Elizabeth Soyle said the same thing as Allah Almighty has already said in His holy book, the Holy Quran. In Holy Quran, in Surah Maryam, verse number 76, Allah Almighty said, "Wal baqiyatu salihatu khayrun inda rabbika sawaban wa khayrum maradda." Long-lasting good deeds are acceptable in the sight of your Lord and will be rewarded from your Lord. So we have to adopt long-lasting good deeds, good efforts in this new year 2023 so that we can make this world more prosperous, better and good for our coming generations. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum.